Hey guys, happy May 4th. May the force be with you. Hopefully you're having a great day. Happy Monday. What we're going to be doing today is start talking about World War II. Yay! So you're gonna go into modules. Of course, remember modules is this part, the Unit 10, Great Depression and World War II. Then go down to Utah and World War II notes. Click on that and we'll wait for it to load. Okay, you should see a picture of Captain America. Okay, there is a Google slide that you're going to be using to answer the questions. If the Google slide doesn't work, there's a link for you right there. Okay, and then remember you can click on this and make it bigger, and then go back here, and then you can go through the Google slide. You can push play, or I just like clicking the next button. Okay, and so you're going to be filling in these questions, okay, as you go through the Google slide. Okay, and I hope you have fun learning about World War II. Tomorrow, besides being Cinco de Mayo, tomorrow you're going to be watching Disney World War II cartoons. So I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you out there.